Wait, do you love mommy? No. Do you love Cassidy? No?
Do you love Daddy?
No, why not?
Do you love French fries?
You liar. You're lying.
Do you sit on a poop?
Cassidy.
Chaser, can you say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, I knew you could say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What are you eating? French fries?
He's lying.
Say hi.
How about you take a video of me?
Hi, Cassidy. Do you love mommy?
Yes.
Do you love daddy?
Yes.
Do you love French fries? Do you love Michigan? Do ya?
Yeah.
Do you love Daddy when he makes you clean your room?
What?
Do you love Daddy when he makes you clean your room?
Well, my legs just get tired of that.
Oh, clean your room, your legs get tired?
Yeah, that's why I need a nap after that.
Yeah.
And take a break.
Hi, Chase.
Hi.
Do you love daddy? No. Do you love mommy? Do you love Michigan?